guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location details and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. You can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and gives the full world surroundings. Description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.